In this video, I want to talk to you about how to make free bet if win offers risk-free. Hey, welcome back to the channel. For those of you new here, my name's Chris, and on here I love talking about how to make money online and how to be smarter with your money. Before we get into the video, of course, as usual, I'll really quickly mention the Profit Boss Matched Betting Facebook group. If you'd like to join it, I'll leave a link down in the description. Having said that, to explain how to make these free bet if win offers risk-free, we need to jump on the laptop here because as you can see here, I have the OddsMonkey website open. So we're just on the main dashboard. And in order for me to show you how this works, we're going to have to go to training and then down to general tips and guides. When that loads up, you've got this screen here, which as we can see, if you scroll down, there are many guides here, but the one we want is this, so where is it here? So there you go, how to make free bet if win risk-free. So I'll go ahead and click on view guide. So basically this guide is of course going to talk us exactly how this works. And as we can see here, it says risk-free shot at a free bet. And the very best offer I think that you can do with this one is the Unibet offer, which is where you bet £20 when there's 15 minutes to go, just 15 minutes before the start of the race. And if that horse then wins, they give you a £20 free bet. I would not be doing the one that is by Bet365 because the Bet365 account is just very valuable as a two-up and extra places account. And by doing their offer to do with this, it's just really going to risk your account health. So please do avoid doing that one if you can, and try and just focus on the Unibet one. That is, of course, just my advice. They are your accounts. You can do as you please with them, obviously. So as we can see here in the guide, it says, as we only get a free bet if the horse wins, we don't want to lose any money if our horse loses. But if it wins, we do not mind losing a little bit more than our qualifying loss as we are getting a free bet. And then in the big bold letters here, it says, this technique is overlaying. Now to show you how simple it is to overlay on this Unibet offer, you simply would just go to the racing matcher here on OddsMonkey to find that offer. We are possibly not going to see the offer here yet. So there you can see on the racing matcher, it's not brought the offer up for tomorrow. So I'm currently filming at 8 p.m. on the Friday night. So we can't see the Saturday's offers yet. But you would simply go to the racing matcher here and then bring up the Unibet offer. And in that Unibet offer, you'll be able to select the horse and select the calculator next to whichever horse it's showing you. And simply just select overlay. And it will just basically show you that you will be backing £20, and then to overlay it at 100%, you would just lay £20. And that calculator will show you exactly how much you stand to lose there. Because I can't show you here on the racing matcher, we'll go over to tools and then calculator, and I'll give you an example of what it would look like here on the regular calculator. So of course, the back stake will be £20. The back odds for the horse, let's say they are back odds of say 3.5, and then the lay odds are say 3.6. Now that's in simple mode. We just need to go to advanced mode. And as you can see here, it's saying overlay, and then you could lay £20, hence that what I said, back 20 and lay 20. And you can see there that the if the horse wins, you lose £2, but then obviously you get that £20 free bet from Unibet. And if the horse doesn't win, it literally costs you nothing. And that's fantastic because this video is to just make sure you're aware that you can set these up and make it so that you're just completely risk-free on it and taking a minimal loss here. Now what I would suggest is, because you're getting a £20 free bet if it wins, so you're going to look to be able to maybe guarantee like 15, maybe £16 out of that. I would not be wanting to get on a horse that is going to give you a loss there, a qualifying loss after you've overlaid it, of more than say £5 or £6, because then obviously you'll get the 15 or 16 from the free bet minus your qualifying loss, so you'll make about £10-ish completely risk-free there if everything comes off like that. By the way, if you like the look of these tools and you're not yet signed up to OddsMonkey, of course there is my affiliate link down in the description. I do massively appreciate it when people sign up through my link. There is a discount code there, get you 12 days for £1. Or if you're ready to just go all in and go to sign up for a whole month, you can use the discount code ProfitBoss50 to get 50% off your first month. I hope that's explained everything you need to know now about how to make these free bet if win offers completely risk-free. If you've learned anything, you found this video valuable or anything like that, please do press the like button. It massively helps out the channel grow. That is going to do it for this one though. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.